An exciting Ghana Premier League ahead of us, and that we've had during the weekend. And also in the English Premier League, Jose Mourinho is throwing jabs at his fellow managers. Jurgen Klopp is also excited about Liverpool's win. Now we go to NBA. All this right after this break. Ashantigold coach Romain Folz says his side deserved to win the win against Ashantigold in their matchday 19 fixture. The Miners inflicted a 1-0 win over the Phobians at Boadu Linkley Stadium, courtesy a Mosadai strike from the spot in the dying embers of the game.
We deserve the win. I'm as proud of the players as I was in the previous game against Carroll. I think they did two very good games since I was here. I just think we deserve the win. We said before the game and before every game that we do our best to win every single game. Today it was the case, so we're happy. What we need to do to be a solid team in that league is to have a solid defensive base, which I think was the case today, and that's going to be my motor for the next of the season. I think offensively we have quality, I never doubt that, but I think defensively, if we can be better than other teams, I think it would take us probably to a good place.
House coach Boadu has urged the side to move on from their defeat to Ashgold on Saturday. The defeat leaves the Phobians fourth on the league table with 30 points, 4 points adrift of leaders Ashantigold.
Sometimes it's unpredictable, and you could see the penalty that he took against us. But I wonder why we got a second penalty and out from there. Then he disallowed. But I don't know why he took that decision. Even though he didn't see the ball, the linesman, one is standing there, didn't see. Then he came all the way to the fourth referee. Why?
So you
he
felt
was closer to the scene. But no, I won't say it's a game. But they know the description of the game. So I think it's cool. House of Folk play match after match, and we have lost this match. It's quite unfortunate that we have lost this match, but we are going home to plan well against Inter-Allies or whichever come to our side. We'll make sure that we take the 3 points.
Match week 19 went to an exciting result. Some of the managers are not happy with the results. And let's go through it. Ebusua Drafts and 11 Wonders was 1-1. Ashantigold also beat Hartlepool 1-0. Diana Stars defeated Kim Faisal 3-1. Legon Cities also beat Great Olympics 2-0 and Ashantigold with an emphatic win against Brecum Chelsea 2-0. Let's go to the Women's Premier League. And in the Northern Zone, matchday 8, Fabulous Ladies and Pearl Ladies was a 1-1 draw. Prison Ladies went to Supreme Ladies and defeated them 2-0. In the Southern Zone, Thunder Queens defeated lost to Police Ladies 3-1. Hazakis Ladies also defeated Lady Strikers 5-1. Let's go to the Premier League now, and Jose Mourinho has reacted angrily to Ole Gunnar Solskjaer after the Manchester United boss hit out at the Heung-min Son following the visitors' 3-1 win at Tottenham. Solskjaer complained about Son had coned the referee with his part in United's disallowed goal against the first half. Jurgen Klopp says victory against Aston Villa felt like a big 3 points as Liverpool's losing run at Anfield in the Premier League came to an end. Trent Alexander-Arnold's stunning league strike secured a much-needed 2-1 win for Liverpool, ending a worrying streak of 6 successive Premier League defeats at home. Leaders Manchester City unexpectedly lost their Premier League game at home against 10-man Leeds United. Pep Guardiola's men needed just 11 more points to secure the Premier League title, but were met by a resilient Leeds side who took the lead at the Etihad Stadium when Dallas found a way through. Pep Guardiola believes it's necessary to lose sentiments. Thomas Tuchel was pleased to see Kai Havertz shine again for Chelsea in a false nine role against Crystal Palace. The 21-year-old has endured a testing debut campaign in England on the comeback of a £70 million switch from Bayer Leverkusen. Kai Havertz tracked inside 8 minutes to ease the fears of another setback following last weekend's 5-2 defeat at home to West Brom. That rounds up for match week 32 of the EPL. Let's go through the results that happened during the weekend. Wolves went to Craven Cottage and beat Fulham's 1-0. Manchester City in an early kickoff, that's on Saturday, lost to Leeds United 2-1. Liverpool also beat Aston Villa 2-1. Crystal Palace and Chelsea won 4-1. West Ham United beat Leicester City 3-2. Manchester United went to the Tottenham Stadium and won 3-1. Sheffield also lost at home to Arsenal 3-0. And tonight, Brighton versus Everton. We go to La Liga, and it's match 30 over there. And the La Liga games that went through were Huesca winning against Elche 3-1. Real Madrid in the El Clasico defeated Barcelona 2-1. Valencia and Real Sociedad was a 2-2 draw. Real Betis and Atletico Madrid was a 1-1. And then tonight we have Celta Vigo versus Sevilla. Let's go to Serie A right now and look at match week 13 in the Serie A. AC Milan went to Parma, won 3-1. Inter Milan won against Cagliari 1-0. Juventus and Genoa was 3-1 in favor of Juventus. Sampdoria lost at home to Napoli 2-0. AS Roma won against Bologna 1-0. And Benevento versus Sassuolo will be played tonight. Let's go to the German Bundesliga now. And Bayern Munich and Union Berlin was 1-1. Frankfurt also won against Wolfsburg 4-3. Werder Bremen also lost at home to RB Leipzig 4-1. Stuttgart versus Borussia Dortmund was 3-2 for Borussia Dortmund, and Hoffenheim and Bayer Leverkusen will be playing later tonight. Ligue 1 fixtures coming up, and Metz also lost at home to Lille 2-0. PSG went to Strasbourg and stole a 4-1 win. Lens also beat Lorient 4-1. Nice and Rennes was a goalless draw, and AS Monaco defeated Dijon 3-0. And Lyon against Angers was 3-0 in favor of Lyon. Let's switch gears now to the NBA, and the LA Lakers beat the Brooklyn Nets 126-101. Despite missing 5 players and seeing Dennis Schroeder ejected in the second half, Andre Drummond scored 20 points from the Lakers, and Schroeder registered 19 before he had an opponent's Kyrie Irving were removed. Celtics ended the Denver Nuggets 8-game winning streak with 105-87. And that's it for MX Breaks today. I am Selwyn Saki. Keep watching MX24.